everybody. Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies. Yeah, how you like that right there? That looks like a sprint car, kind of. Just a WL Toys K989 with a 3D printed body on there. One of the subscribers had commented how he liked oval and that he was doing a sprint car. Well, here's my sprint car so far. Still not quite done yet. I'm still, I'm gonna seal the body up and put some windows on it and everything. How you like that really nifty two-color wing there? Sorry about the camera work. I'm getting used to this. This is a new phone. I was bike riding and somehow or another I lost my other phone. So this is a brand new phone right here. Hope everything is looking good. And this little front wing comes off too. And that's what the car looks like. Just a stock four-wheel drive, although it does have a one-way differential in the front. Yeah, and it's got my homemade camber and suspension bars. Yeah, stock steering though, except for PNC Racing front wheels with 3D printed tires on there. Yeah, skinny ones. Then in the back we got the larger meaty ones. Yeah, should make for a pretty formidable sprint car, I would think. I'll set up a track and I'll do some racing. I just want to say one thing too. All the new people that have come on, thanks a lot for joining my channel. I hope to produce some better videos now that I have a decent camera I can work with again. I had a decent one before, but I'll have to rethink how I do things. So anyways, hope this one's looking good. This right here is a Pixel 6 phone. This is a Google Pixel phone, so if you're wondering what kind of thing that this is being shot on, yeah, I had a OnePlus 8 and took a ride, tried to find it, couldn't do it. So this is what we're using now. Brand new phone, brand new videos, brand new race car. I could show you one other thing too. Let's see if I got it somewhere around here. Hang on just one second. There, that's better. Yeah, that's a dollar store Corvette right there. You get them for $5 at Dollar Tree, $1.25 tree. And that's a modified K969 rear wheel drive. I got to do a little bit more work to it, but that's how that is. You can see the steering is like that, threaded rod, servo right in the middle, kind of radio mounted up top. Yeah, see, that's where I got to work. The gear, now I made it, extended the wheelbase out a little bit for the Corvette, and now the gear does not touch. I don't have the right gear in there, so I'll have to change it out for the longer one. And I'll let you look at the body here close. You can see how I did it. It was too long, the wheelbase, so I cut it. And then I super glued it back together again, and I sanded it a little bit. Yeah, from a distance you can't really tell. If you get up close you can. Then you put it on there, you can see that now the wheelbase is better. It's still a little off, but I think it's usable. And I do have the windshield still from the original, so that screws in, give you a nice windshield in there. Spectacular looking car, I think, eh? Kind of like, almost looks like that one. That's my drift car, Corvette. Yep. And can't leave out that one. Mustang drift car. Yeah, so we got some drift cars going on there. The yellow drift car is a Carrera body, 143 slot car. And the Mustang is a 3D printed, homemade 1/43rd body. So yeah, anyways, sprint car. It's kind of hard to see because it's black. But yeah, it's kind of a... Maybe I can show you how I did it. It's kind of like this. It's got a piece of styrofoam right there. So, you know, it gives the wing a little bit of bounce in case, you know, something hits into it. It's not so fragile, you know. And I just glued it on the top. And that's 3D printed. Kind of crude body, but gets the job done. And a couple of holes. You can see how I got the mounting bracket turned around in the back there. I don't know if it's turned around, but a couple of holes in there and that's it. Seems to work pretty good. And the front just sits right on the chassis. Something like that. Very spectacular looking sprint car. Nice short scale. Pretty true to life. Looks pretty good. Nice looking vet too. Anyways, this is Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies. Hope you guys like this kind of video. If you do, like and subscribe. Tell your friends. We're going to race some cars pretty soon. I'll set up another track. We're going to race some WL toys, 1/28 scale stuff. We'll set up an oval. We'll set up a road course. And we'll set something else up on the rest of the track too over here. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for subscribing, new subscribers and old. Click that like button, help me out. Trying to get to 500. If I get to 500, guess what? There'll be a little surprise for somebody. Not going to say what it is, but let's get to 500. Anyways, have a nice day. This is Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies. Talk to you later.